Bruh, why are you starting already?
Nigga, trying to get shit done, you bullshit.
Supposed to wait till I start videotaping, bruh.
I gotta record it.
Yo, this guy here. Alright, so I already did this on my hatch and didn't videotape it, which sucked, but we got Gktech dual rear caliper set up. It's so nice. So, putting on my boy Lucci's car. S14 1JZ, pretty legit. About to show y'all how it's done. It like moves super slow, like how you work.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
That was Mom said last night.
I like when you talk dirty. Damn, this nigga bald.
Shit. Your girl likes my bald head, bitch.
So yeah, remove all this old crap and get ready. Bro, taking forever, dude. So yeah, then you pull the hub off, you know. Pretty sure y'all know that step. Alright, so you definitely gotta cut the stock caliper mounts off. That one and this one.
So we're cutting the ears off. It's kind of loud. This boy Cam want me to cut this shit off. So, you know, we finna cut these off so we can do that Gktech kit. You know what I'm saying? He want me to make sure I'm recording this so, you know, he can make this YouTube post so y'all can see it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this while he's out grabbing rotors and shit. You know what I'm saying? He be like, just do the damn thing. Stop talking, just do it. So we got one ear done. We got one to go. Nigga be talking about they taking forever in advance to get the rotors, and then he still got to go get drinks and shit. He just so at the end of all your cutting, it should look like that.
Just like that. She gone. Alright, so the bottom of one and the top of the other, you gotta shave because they touch. So we're about to do that now. So you have to. That's one. Alright, so this is the passenger side. We got laid out. We got the dual caliper bracket, the spacer, Z32, rotor, S14, rear 5 lug, and 2 Z brakes. So now we're about to put it together and show you how it works. We assemble it outside of the car and put it all in one shot because it's easiest. And it's gonna look something like this. Alright, when you put this together, you gotta make sure that goes to the car, this goes to the hub. Alright, and this is the assembly. We do the hub first. Rotor. caliper. We're gonna flip it, tighten it up, and then it's gonna be ready for install.
It ain't my fault.
Just like that. You'll take this. So this is why we assemble it first. You can't really see it, but the caliper bolts right against the control arm. So you got to make sure to put this spacer on, and you got to figure out which one you need for your car. It all varies.
Ready now?
I'm waiting on you.
Are you actually recording though?
I've been trill.
You recording?
All right, so make sure spacer goes on.
With the nuts and bolts.
Use some nuts, all right, bud.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit, nigga, we just dropped that shit. I just want y'all to know, we just dropped the GoPro 7.
You about almost
The
broke
new
it,
shit.
too.
The new shit.
You ready?
I don't know which one we're doing.
You ain't hurrying up.
That's it, nigga, you about to break that shit, bro.
All right, so we ran the line straight through, and there's the T, comes off, and we ran the hydro on the top one, just for it's easier to bleed, because I was having issues on my car with it bleeding, so I ran it on top, and it worked out a lot better.
Yeah, the bleeder had to always be on top.
And that's the end result, looking fire. So we got the line coming here to the handbrake, looking ballin'. Ooh, it's so tight. And that's pretty much about it. In case y'all ain't never did it before, it's not the first time. Traffic in a second, and then hit it in the complex. You know what I'm saying? Back together, test drive. You know, when we work on it, we gotta test drive it, dog.
Yeah, dog.
Ooh, it's working.
How you feel about that, dog?
It's working, dog.
Oh, yeah.
My boy Lucci about to be on the road. We about to get it. More to come.